Good day. Today I am going to do a string pour. I'm going to do the background in white. I'm trying to dangle my microphone, so maybe I'll get better volume. I think it's the camera, but I couldn't get an expensive one, so I'm thinking that's got to be what it is, because, but as I said, I'm not used to talking to myself. But we'll see if this gives you clearer voice. So anyway, I am putting down a base coat on this. I think it's a 5-inch tile. Just trying to get paint to all sides. Put the cover back on my white. Tried to shorten my board too, so that I didn't I forgot my train of thought. Oh, so I could get in closer. See if that will work or help. We'll see. I can only keep working on improving ways to record and that, but in the meantime, I want to experiment. And now I don't use a torch, so usually I just drop it or bump it, and all the bubbles disappear. Because I am not in a ventilated room, so I just won't use a torch. My lung capacity is already down, so I don't want to get it worse by doing stuff that requires ventilation. There, all popped. Now, I guess I gotta move it up a little. Next time I will try to maybe move my camera up a little so that I can move back, because it's hard on my back. But anyway, this isn't very big, and I'm just going to try a lily. Now, in the past, I have used these forks that I put string on to do lilies, and they seem to work pretty good. I've made two, one with a shorter thread and one with a longer thread. I will put some, I'm going to do orange for this one. So I'm just going to put some orange in a dish so I can dip in it. And maybe a little yellow. And maybe some green. I could have laid this out earlier, but I was just kind of getting set up and see if this will work better. If you guys will actually be able to hear what I'm saying without me having to consciously remember to talk louder. Because it's not easy to do. You think it is, but anyway. I am going, nope, I will use the longer one. I'm going to bring this paint in here where I can kind of see it, which might help you see what I'm doing. And I usually have a old cup to, here I'll use a dirty one, to rub off the string so I don't carry the paint over as much. So I think in the background, I'm just going to pull a leaf through. I'm just kind of laying it down pull it through. It'll kind of be behind. I'm going to clean the paint off in my little cup. Should have it there so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I kind of rub it off with my fingers. Dip it in again. And maybe I'll just come down and kind of pull in a stem with it. Wipe it off. I kind of like the control I get from gluing it on. I think I'm going to pull a stem down through here. And you could use I've got kind of an emerald green. You could use a darker green. Should have probably spread that out a little bit so I got more of a leaf shape. Scrape it off. Maybe pull one more time through with a smaller one. And there. Now, I think I'm going to throw that in the water. And I'm going to work with the smaller one to make my petals. I think. Try it. If I like it better with the big one, I'll change it. Basically, I'm seeing the lilies as 3 petals. Now, I might have this paint too thin because I have had it sitting for a week and I will kind of watered it down a bit. But we'll see what it does. And I think it is. But I'm just going to play and have fun. I thought, well, I'm not losing too much paint, so just give her a shot. I'm going to pull some yellow in. And I have before, when I do the other ones, every once in a while I just kind of take my little thing and scrape out the extra, because it does tend to kind of ball up there in the middle. But we work around it. Like I said, I had this paint sitting out like it was covered, but sitting there for a week or so. So I'm sure that's what's caused the pigment to, I think I thinned it too much. Just gonna have fun. I just kind of really want to see if this is going to record for me with enough sound. Excuse me. If this has helped the sound quality. And the only way to do that is let's do a little video, right? And but I do believe I have. So the next one might be something else. We shall see. Try some of the orange and the green. As I said, you can kind of tell. I guess I've painted enough. I can tell I've thinned this paint down too much. It doesn't have pigment in it like it should. So I won't try doing more string pulls with it. But I might be able to do something else, right? Could always try doing just a dirty pour, see what I get. Just bring it in. Oh yes. So, I'm here to tell you, you can store paint in your little paint cups with saran wrap on them, but they tend to just stick in, and then as you thin them, of course, what happens? You pull the pigment out. And this string pull on this is a lot different, because what I am noticing is it doesn't soak in. You know, when you're doing it on a canvas or something like that, you get a certain amount that soaks in. Here, nothing is soaking in, is it? Which I'm not used to. Because, as I said, this is my first string pull on a tile. I've only done them on canvases. But you never know how something's going to work until you actually try it, right? That's how we learn. And yeah, what a difference when the paint doesn't soak in at all. So, it doesn't actually look too bad now. I might just try to make appearance of stamens coming out of there. Use my stick. Just kind of pull them in. I was thinking, no. So I learned something valuable there. There's quite a difference in soakability of paint when you oh see, I'm zoomed in too much. I'm not realizing I'm going off of the canvas. Or off of the vision. I'm so used to painting closer to me. So I have to adjust the height also. I can see. So I will try that for the next video. I think it's going to turn out pretty. But as I said, it's learning. So anyway, if you like this one, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.